Quite a beautiful table you have here. Thank you for taking the time to show me this. I love what you did with it. Oh, no, no. Do my eyes deceive me? I fear not. It looks real. Could it be? The evil wizard has returned. The fabled Mbira guy is back to make more terrible videos using his trickery and magical instruments. I fear it may be time for another episode of Instrument Archives.
Well, the old man is correct. It's time for another episode.
This episode features an instrument made by Mr. C. Ruhukwa, coming in at a lofty Katsanzaira tuning. This Katsanzaira Mbira is tuned to an aptly named Katsanzaira scale. However, it does lack one important Katsanzaira feature. The lowered seventh is no longer a part of this instrument. Thus, I will allow you to listen to it and decide for yourself if I have made a terrible mistake. Enjoy.